Hi everybody, we are at the Gran Destino Tower at Coronado Springs. Oh, look at, here's the carpet. There's Mickey's. I know there's more over there. So we are on the 9th floor. Our room is 963. It is a king bed. All right, and here's how we unlock it with our magic band. I'm gonna have to do the elevator. That's the coolest part. Okay, so it's like a barn door for the restroom and the other area. And here's your special touch of Mickey right there. The one Mickey.
The hidden Mickey.
Nice, very nice flooring. Here is the shower. Got a couple options. You got the slow water. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. And then you've got your deluxe resort bathing H2O. You've got 2 sinks here, his and hers, with your H2O products here. And the tile and your big mirror where you can see yourself 5,000 times bigger than what you look like. We have the extra towels here for the shower and the restroom area, which does close off for some privacy, of course. And in here, this is a big like armoire, and you can hang up your clothes if you are here long enough. Extra pillows and blankets, ironing board. I don't see an iron. Oh, here's the iron. Okay, I was thinking that was a hairdryer. That should be somewhere here anyway. So you have a safe, so you can put like your wallet and your keys and stuff in here if you're not hanging on to them. And this will open up and put your luggage on that.
It's under the sink.
So there's some good storage here. Kind of all in just one place with a big mirror. When you're like, that's twice the size of me. Nice sitting area, or you can put your luggage there. You have a lot of space to put stuff. Like you buy a bunch of things, you can stick them here, you could stick them under there, you can put them up there. You have your ice bucket and some cups. Your Speedway icy, of course. That's Derek's. Your Keurig, which we will be getting more of, which they give you like tea and
decaf, which is not coffee.
Yeah, no decaf. We don't do decaf. You got your creamers, your sugars, Splendas, stirs, all that stuff. And we have some drawers here. Oh, that is not a drawer. That is a refrigerator. Awesome. And a nice chair to sit down if you're going to do any work, which we are not doing any. Let's turn the light on. Is it on?
Yes. Oh,
No, not this light. This little light. There we go. Okay, so you got some plugs here. USBs right here. Turned off. Nice big TV. Usually it says welcome, you know, like Pantry Family, or welcome Derek and Christy. You have a trash can under here with recycling, so it separates for you. You have a ton of space on this like marble countertop here.
Okay, those are drawers.
Yes, they are drawers. There are 3 drawers right there. It's very modern looking. Very nice bed. This is a king size bed. Another special Mickey touch. Here's your thermostat. 65 sounds wonderful. Nice mirror. Another lamp. Each side has one. Each side usually does.
USB.
Yep, you have more plugs here and USB chargers here. So we'll each have room for all of our stuff. And there's some more drawers on each side. This is supposed to be for 2, but this sofa, it's actually, I think if you take this off, it doesn't turn into a sofa bed, but it actually, I could actually sleep on this. So we can definitely bring Faith and she can sleep on there whether she wants to or not. She wants to sleep. You have your phone, kind of a little Disney guide, I guess. 4 mirrors. Just kind of reminds me of like 70s, 60s.
Aztec.
Just reminds me of one of my aunt's houses. It had a wall that was like an entire mirror that kind of had that look to it.
Oh, that's a Hollywood studio.
A couple tables, and they do separate. Nice marble on top of there. You have a nice chair you can sit in right here, and it actually swivels. And on here you have this counter, or little thing, and turn your light on here. You can sit here and have a drink, watch TV, talk to someone laying in the bed. Right? Beautiful view. There's Hollywood Studios over there. There's
Star Wars
Epcot right there. Oh, you can see them building Guardians over there. And then down there is the Coronado Resort, Coronado Springs. So we're in the tower, and that's the regular resort.
Casitas.
Yeah. Yep, Star Wars is over there. So this is pretty neat. Very, very nice view. Good sized window. And you have Mickey's on the wall. They have like wallpaper up here. What kind of wallpaper? A lot of Mickey's up there. So there's little touches of Disney, but it's not like a Disney in your face kind of resort that's gonna have, you know, like characters in the showers.
Like Pop Century, Art of Animation.
Yeah, like any of those. You know, all over the shower curtains, on the walls and the beddings. So it's just a nice little touch, and we really enjoy this. We stayed here last December, so we decided that this is where we wanted to stay for our anniversary this year. So we really hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I'm gonna definitely do one of the elevators. They have got the coolest system for elevators. I'm gonna leave you guys with this adorable little Mickey right here. We hope you guys have a fabulous day, and thanks for watching.